Hello everyone, coming to the next topic, list. This is also a part of data types in Python. Now so over here the list is nothing but it is a data type that is nothing but a compound data type wherein it is used to group together all the values, other values, in the sense you can mix the values of integers, float, decimal numbers, or a string. These can be clubbed in the list. Okay, the list that means the list need not be of the same type. The list can contain a series of strings. A string, you can have an integer, you can have a floating numbers. Okay, now this has been enclosed in the square bracket, and each of the values in the list or items in the list is being separated with a comma. Now, working with list in Python, we are taking one small example over here. Let us consider example of a fruit, where a fruit is being assigned with four things or four items, namely as apple, orange, banana, and mango, and these are being enclosed in the square bracket and being separated with the commas. Okay, now if I want to know the type of fruit, that means the fruit is of what class or type, I need to type as type fruit, so it will give me the answer as or output as list. Now if I want to know the length of this fruit, what I need to type? I need to type as len fruit, so the length is 4. That means your apple, orange, mango, and banana and mango are, the length is total is 4. If I want to know the particular placing of each of the fruit, so I can just write as fruit 1. Now when I write fruit 1, that means apple take the position of 0, whereas orange take the position of 1, so the output I'll be getting as orange. Okay, now if I want to take from anywhere from middle, such as from 1 to that of the last number, so I'll be writing as fruit 1:3. So 1:3 means my apple is 0, orange is 1, banana is 2, and mango is 3. So it will take the three values, that is it will take the range from orange and end at banana. When it is saying 1:3, that means it will start from the serial number 1 or the position number 1, and it will end before that of the position number 3. Over here also you can do various operations with respect to the list. First is appending an item. Okay, now I'll just execute and run and show. Appending of item means I can add one more item to my list. Okay, whereas remove an item means for my whatever is my list, I can remove one item or two item, whatever is my choice. I can remove an item from the list. Okay, like I'll just run it and show. Now starting with the first one, let me start writing the first one. The first one says fruits, which has been assigned with that of square bracket, single quotation, orange. Next is banana, and next is mango. This example I am taking directly from the textbook. Okay, now each thing I need to put in the quotes. It can be a single quote or it can be a double quote, no issues. Okay, now it should be end with that of square bracket. Now I have assigned the fruit with fruit is equal to the 4 items within it. Now next thing is, if I want to know the type, what is the type it is? If I want to know the type, I should just write type, open the bracket, next is fruits, close the bracket, enter. So it is saying that what class it belong to. It belong to the class of list. Now if I want to know the length of it, now length of what I want to know, I want to know the length of fruits. What are the content that has been present in this length? So it is showing as 4. Apple, orange, mango, and banana and mango are 4. Now over here I can also go with that of, if I want to know a particular value of fruit, I want to get only the value of fruit. Okay, see, if I just type fruit, it is giving the range. If I want to get the just the fruit with that of square bracket, close the square bracket 1, so what it will give me, it will give orange, because the apple will take the 0 value, the orange take the second position, 1 position, banana takes second, and mango takes the third position. Okay, now similarly, if I want, again I'll just type as fruit, I want to know for the third value. Okay, third value is now over here, which is the third value, my third value is mango. Okay, now if I want to take from somewhere from the middle also, I can work on it as fruit, square bracket, I'll be writing 1:3, so it will take the value starting from orange, that is 1, and before 3 it will be ending. Now this is a basic operation. Now next is, what we can do is, we can also append an item in a list. Now when you say append an item, that means I can add an item to my list. So let me write the heading as appending. Okay, I'll change the slide also so that you can able to see that. Okay, now appending the list to a list. Okay, now so what is the syntax we need to write is, whenever we want to append, we need to write the fruit, that is what variable we have assigned, fruit dot append. Okay, fruit dot append means that whichever you want to add up. So what I want to add up, I want to add up a new fruit as pears within the quotation. Since pears is a string, when you put a quotation, close the bracket, enter. Now I need to know whether my appended item is being obtained in my list or not. So I'll just write as fruits once again and enter. Now I'll be getting the list. You are able to see over here apple, orange, banana, mango and pears. Pears has been appended or added up. Now next thing is, if I want to remove an item, you are able to see again hash remove the item in the list. I'm not writing the complete heading, I'm just writing remove. Now enter. Now fruit, I need to write fruit, that is name of my variable, and dot remove. What I want to remove, that particular item I should write in the bracket. Let me remove mango from my this one. If option is given for mango, I would never remove mango, because it's a king of fruits. Now fruit dot remove mango. Now just enter it and write fruits. That will give me whether my list has removed the mango or not. So you are able to see apple, orange, banana and pears. Mango is being removed from my list. Now the next coming is, I have added and removed. Now the third next is inserting an item. Now inserting an item means what, and one more thing is appending is what. Appending means you are adding an item at the end of it. Inserting means in your range of, suppose my length is 4 over here, that means 0, 1, 2, 3. If I want to place an item or insert an item at a particular position as 1 or 2 or 0, that means that is called as inserting an item. If I want to append, that means whatever item I want to add it will come in the last. It will not come in any of the starting or middle. It will always come in the last. So let me have a look by typing it. I'm writing as heading as just insert an item in the list. Okay, now what I want to insert, fruits, fruits dot insert. Now at what position I want to insert, I want to insert to the position 1, and what I want to insert, which fruit I would like to insert, I want to insert as mango. This should be given with that of quotation, end of it is bracket. Now check whether mango was placed in the position of what. Previously it was placed in the position of 3, but now it has to come at the position of what? It should come in the position of first. So let me see fruits. Now So apple is position 0, mango has come in the position 1, orange, banana and pears. So you can see from my original list, apple, orange, banana and mango was there. Now since I have inserted the mango at the position 1, the mango has come at the position 1. Now next thing is, you can see the next thing over here, you are able to see combining of list. So combining of list means my list can be anything. Okay, since we have taken in the first starting as fruits, let me take the second list as vegetables. So I have taken vegetables as potato, carrot, onion, beans and radish. These how many items are there? These are 5 items. These 5 items are separated with the commas, okay, and puts in the quotation. Now if I just write vegetables and enter, I'll get the output as potato, carrot, onion, beans and radish. Now my thing over here is, I want to combine 2 lists. One list already I have assigned, that is nothing but fruit, and now I want to combine fruit plus vegetable and give a new give both of them in a new position called as eatables. Now if I just write as eatables, I'll get the combined list of both fruits as well as vegetables. So let me just put in my program and do it. I'll first write the heading as combining list. Now I have 2 lists over here. I can have a number of lists. Over here we are just taking the next one as vegetables. Okay, vegetables is assigned with, let me list. Now enter. See, since it is copy pasted, it is not showing me. I'll just rewrite it once again. Vegetables. Okay, vegetables is assigned with square bracket, quotation, potato, comma, carrot, comma, onions. The onions should also be given with the quotation. Okay, next is, after onions, then we have beans. The list can be of any length, short or long or any length. Next is comma, we have radish. So this example I am taking directly from the textbook, so same values, same names I am taking. You can take anything and just try it once, enter. Now after vegetables is being typed, my previous list was fruit, my next list is vegetable. Previous list was fruits, apple, orange, banana and mango. My next list is vegetables. Now what I'm saying is, over here you can see that I want to combine both fruits and vegetables, so I'm giving a new variable as eatables. Okay, now my eatables are being assigned, as vegetables, plus vegetables plus fruits. I can write fruit plus vegetable, anything. In the program I have written fruits plus vegetables, anything you can write. Okay, now enter. Now I want to see the combined list, so what I have to write, the variable eatables, enter. So I'm able to get the list of vegetables and that are fruits, all the total. And if I want to know the length of this, so what I should write, length eatables. What is the length of eatable? Close the bracket, checked, they are 10. In the starting fruits we have 4, vegetables are 6, total 10 are there. Okay, and potato takes the value of 0. It will not take 1. You should always remember, when we are counting it, it should be counted as 0, 1, 2, and the last will be the 9th value. Now next is, after combining of list, we have the next one is called as the mixed data list. Now what is mixed data types in list is, Mixed data type is what I have already said previously. I can have a string, I can have a integer value, I can have a list float value, and my total thing is called as, can be considered as list. So let me just write it. Okay, let me write the heading as hash mixed. Whenever we are writing as a heading, we should write in by using hash term. Now I'm giving a name called as mixed to my variable. Variable is being assigned by opening a square bracket. Let me the first value be data. Within this it should be in the quotation, that is a string. Next is comma. Then I'm saying that I have a value as 5, comma, next is 100.0, next what they have taken is 8287.398 and along with L. Close this. Now I want to know that this mixed is what thing, which type or which class it belongs. Okay, I have done some error in typing, I think. Let me once again write as data comma 5 comma, I'll just try and then say 0. Okay, let us just close till here and check. Okay, I have taken the mixed data as data comma 5 comma 100.0 and close bracket. Now I want to know which class it belongs to, so I need to write as type with open the bracket, then write mixed, close the bracket, enter. The whole thing, that is data 5 and 100, is nothing but it is a list. Okay, one each particular thing if I want to know, I need to write as type, then I need to open the bracket, write as mixed. Which position class I want to know? I want to know the for the 0 position. Okay, 0 item, close the bracket, check. So data is denoted in that of quotations. It's a class is string. Similarly, next is 5, so I need to write as type, open the bracket, write as mixed, then it is at what position? It is at the position 1. 5 is at the position 1, close the bracket, enter. Now 5 is an integer value. Similarly, 100, what is 100? So I need to write again syntax from type, open the bracket, write as mixed, then 2, close the bracket, enter. 100.0 is nothing but float value. Okay, now these are the things that can be done for the case of list. One more thing is what is you can do the nested form of it. List can also be given with nested. Nested means 2 items or 2 lists can be written within the same parenthesis or within a same brackets. Okay, now over here nested is 2 lists I already have. One is fruit and another is vegetable. I'm not adding it, I'm just putting a comma to it. Okay, and within the parenthesis it is being kept. So how it is written, you can see it. Nested is equal to fruit comma vegetable, and then you need to type as nest. What you are able to get within one parenthesis, you are getting all the fruits, and next parenthesis you are getting all the vegetables. So let me type and have a run of it. So heading is nested. Now, so I need to write as nested. This nested is nothing but my variable which is being assigned with what terms over here. One term is fruit, one term is fruits, comma, vegetables, fruits and vegetables. Close it. Now enter. Now if I just write as nested and enter, I'll get whole of this. But what is the difference you are able to see from nested to that of combined is important. In combined, when you're adding two lists, you are getting the whole list is coming, but not with a single parenthesis, square bracket only once. But over here for the nested, for the fruit you are getting one parenthesis, for that of vegetables you are getting the another parenthesis. Okay, that means let me come to the conclusion of the list. What are the things that we have studied for the list is what we can do in the case of list is the first and foremost thing is nothing but it is a component data type. It can be grouped for the different values. The values are being kept in the square brackets and separated by commas. The different operations that the list is done, the list can do in the Python is first thing that whatever the list we are writing, we can know the type of the list, then we can know the length of a list. You can append an item in the list, you can remove an item in the list, you can insert an item in the list at whatever position you would like to. Next is you can combine two lists or 10 lists or any number of lists can be combined. Next is a list can contain different data types, whether it is integer, string, float, it can be combined. Next is nested. The nested means if you have two lists over here with the example, if you have two lists, you can just nest those two lists within the parenthesis. With this we come to the end of the list. In the next one we'll be seeing tuples.